Hello everyone! In this video, I'll explain how to automatically sync Sitemap in Google Search Console. This step is essential for enhancing your website's visibility on Google. By submitting an XML sitemap, you enable Google's crawler to discover and index your website's pages more efficiently, which can significantly speed up the process of getting your content found in search results. It allows search engines to locate your website's URLs quickly. When you publish new content, the sitemap acts as a roadmap, helping crawlers find and index your pages sooner. Submitting your sitemap ensures that all your valuable pages, including new and updated ones, are included in Google's index. Google Search Console can notify you about any issues related to your sitemap, such as broken links or pages that can't be crawled. By the way, if you're looking for a simpler solution that can fully automate syncing your sitemap, check out URL Monitor. It's a powerful tool that can automatically sync your sitemap with Google Search Console and also track all your links. I highly recommend it to anyone with a website. For your convenience, I included a link to URL Monitor in the description below, so check it out. Let's get back to our video to begin. Follow these steps. Start by logging into your Google Search Console account. If you don't have an account yet, you can easily create one by visiting the Google Search Console website. Make sure you select the correct Google account associated with your website. After that, choose the correct property, which refers to your website. If you need to switch to a different property, simply click on the drop-down arrow located in the top left corner of the interface and select the appropriate website you want to work with. Once you've confirmed you're in the right property, navigate to the Indexing section in the left-hand menu. From there, click on Sitemaps. This is where you can manage your sitemaps. You'll see a field labeled Add a new sitemap. Here, you need to enter the URL of your XML sitemap. It's important to confirm that the sitemap you're submitting is in XML format. Google Search Console only accepts XML sitemaps, so make sure your sitemap adheres to this format. After pasting the URL of your XML sitemap in the designated field, click on the Submit button. Once you do this, you'll receive a confirmation message indicating that your sitemap has been successfully submitted to Google. After submission, Google will periodically process your sitemap and check for any changes. You can return to the Sitemaps section at any time to view the status of your sitemap submission. If any issues arise or if there are changes to your sitemap, Google will notify you through the Search Console interface. In summary, adding an XML sitemap to your Google Search Console account is a straightforward yet crucial task that can significantly benefit your website's SEO performance. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can ensure that your website is indexed more efficiently, helping you reach your audience faster. By the way, you can monitor your URLs in real time, ensure safe indexing, and boost search performance with URL Monitor. Check the link to it in the description below.